All right, this is video of our house. This is the front door. There's the water line right there, right on the front door. And what we did today is we pulled carpet. There's a piano, music cabinet, and then all this slab here in this room. Come over to this room in the living room. We pulled all the carpet out of here. I don't know if you can see the water line, but I think you can see it. Couch all damaged. And then I'm going to walk in here to the kitchen. Tile floor is full of mud. And the water came right about there. So all this kitchen. All right, we had a table here flipped upside down, but the water passed that, so that table is gone. All right, this is the laundry room, and our washer and dryer right there, and the water was, 3 feet up. All right, back this way, fireplace, living room. We actually cut these stair railings down because when we had to take stuff up, we couldn't get the big items through here, so we had to cut the railing. All right, we're gonna walk over here into our bedroom. This is our bedroom, and we pull all the carpet out, and we couldn't save this piece of furniture. Solid cherry. It was too big to move, and no place to put it upstairs. So this is the wall along our bedroom. So you can see the water line there. And then this is our bathroom. Had carpet in here, which my son and I pulled it out today, Eric and I. And there's the bathroom shower. Water backed up. You can see the water line clearly there in the shower. There's my wife's closet. My closet. Toilets in there. And I guess that's about it. This is all the downstairs. So we have insurance adjuster coming out tomorrow. And we have a demo team coming out tomorrow, contractor that I use for my other properties. So hopefully we'll get this done quickly. All right, see you later, guys.